Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, we are the students of third year Computer Engineering Department of Zeal College of Engineering, Pune. Our project topic is Python program to convert decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal, studied under the guidance of Professor Rohini Jadhav ma'am. So first we are going to see the abstract of our project. Numbering system are the technique to represent numbers in the computer system architecture. Every value that you are saving or getting input into from computer memory has a defined number system. So in this project, we have implemented the conversion of binary to octal, decimal and hexadecimal in the Python language. In this program, we have used built-in functions bin, oct, and hex to convert the given decimal number into respective number systems. These functions take an integer in the decimal and return a string.
Introduction. The objective of the project is to provide an easier system for conversion of the numbering system. The decimal system is the most widely used number system. However, computers only understand binary. Binary, octal, and hexadecimal number systems are closely related, and we may require to convert decimal into these systems. These functions take an integer and return a string.
Introduction. Binary numbering system. A binary number system has only two digits, that are 0 and 1. The base of the binary number system is 2. Octal number system. Octal number system has only 8 digits from 0 to 7. The base of octal number system is 8. Decimal number system. Decimal number system has only 10 digits from 0 to 9. The base of the decimal number system is 10. Hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system has 16 alphanumeric values from 0 to 9 and A to F. The base of hexadecimal numbering system is 16. This is our Python program for converting decimal to octal, hexadecimal, and binary. Now we are running this module. This is our output. When we click on the clear button, then the result will be clear. And this is the exit button. Click on yes, then the system will be closed.
Conclusion. From this study, we developed a program for converting decimal to binary, octal, hexadecimal. Using built-in functions like bin, oct, hex, we convert the given decimal number into respective number system.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.